Hello everyone. I thought I would share with you, Tony and I went shopping today at Aldi. We love going to Aldi and we buy all kinds of great stuff at Aldi. But I wanted to show you some of the great cheeses and how you can make you a great cheese board there. I did not buy this at Aldi. This is called a Smurley Charcuterie Board. And you can get these on Amazon. And they range in price. This one is about $39 on Amazon. It shows you how you can make it look all pretty and everything. But it comes with all your little attachments, little knives, how you name your cheeses, little chalk that comes with it. And it also has these little sideboards that you can use for additional food. And there's one on the other side too. And there's two jam cups. Let me show you some of the cheeses that we get from Aldi. So what do you think, Tony? Tony loves Aldi. We go there quite a bit. Everything you see here came from there, and I'll tell you if it didn't. But all these cheeses did. So we've got some smoked Gouda. We've got Borgo. How do you say it, Tony?
I'd say Gorgonzola.
Gorgonzola. And I had to look up some of these. So the smoked Gouda, I think its history, it says, is usually from the Netherlands. Yeah, so South Holland. And then it's actually pronounced, here it says Gouda Houda. And then, let's see, we had some Borgonzola. Is that how you say it, Tony? I'm terrible at that.
That's what I would say.
So it's a combo of Borgo and Gorgonzola, named after the Italian Borgo family. And so when we open this, we're going to expect to see some kind of like blue, like this, some blue tint in there. It's got some veins in it. And then we have our typical brie. And this is a double cream brie. Now again, all of this is from Aldi, y'all. This is called Emporium Selection. And I've left it out a little bit so it can get a little softer. But brie is, of course, it's French, made from cow's milk, from the French region from which it originated. And then you have, how you say this, Tony? Oh my gosh.
I would say Camembert.
Yeah, there we go. Camembert. I'm not the best pronouncer of things. And it says that it's very similar to brie, and it's also a French cheese as well, buttery and creamy. And then we have cave-aged cheddar. Again, they have so much cheese. Let me show you. We're getting off script here. So let me show you. So we bought these other cheeses too, just so we can show you.
I've never been let down by the cheese you get at Aldi.
This is the typical cheese that Tony will buy.
Yep.
The brie. Here's some cream brie. Here's some that you can make with fondue. And then here's mascarpone. This is all from Aldi.
Yep.
So y'all, I'm encouraging you to head to Aldi and get you some good cheeses if you're looking into making you a board. So we also have to go on the board the Appleton Farms Salami Collection, also Aldi. For our folks who maybe can't eat crackers, we've got some cheese crisps. Tony, tell them about the cheese crisps.
Well, cheese crisps have been awesome for me because I was hooked so much on Doritos, and that's one of the last things I could give up seemed to be chips. And when I discovered cheese crisps, it helped me lose a lot of weight because now I eat those instead of crackers and chips and stuff. So for those of you who are diabetic, can't eat pita, can't eat crackers and biscuits and stuff, then the cheese crisps are a good alternate.
So I did get some pita crackers today over at Aldi, which is our sea salt, and also an assortment of crackers. And these are going to go, if you decide to get the Smurley board, you can put these on the little indents here on the side. And again, make your board how you want it. It's really up to you. I do have some grapes, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, some tomatoes. And let's just go ahead and put our board. Oh, olives. We've got olives. All this is from Aldi. We've got apricot and cumin, cherry and rosemary spread. These are all spreads that you can use. Now this here is my mom's pepper jelly, which is absolutely awesome.
Really great.
So add in some homemade stuff too. Here's some honey from our friends that are close friends that we have. They have a beehive, and they always share their honey with us. So we've got some great honey. Maybe you want to do some hot honey. Now I did not get this in Aldi, I don't think, but here's some hot honey as well. So let's see how our board goes together. This is primarily almost everything from Aldi. And then for your beverages, this is from Sam's Club. So we've got some Pellegrino. If you've got some folks who don't drink wine, you can add beer if you want beer. I've got the Stella Rosa miniatures, which is the little sparkling. You can get Stella Berry, black, semi-sweet, peach, lemon, lime, just to give your guest a variety.
That's all Sam's Club, yeah.
Yeah, that's Sam's Club. And then some typical wines. So, but that is not Aldi right there. So let's see how we put this together with our Aldi finds.
Okay, Nikki wants me to put the fruit together, and I have no sense for what she's looking for, but
I think he's gonna do just fine.
I'm just gonna put pile stuff on there, right?
Pile some stuff on there.
I have washed my hands very thoroughly. I petted the dog when I came home, but
oh please!
But I don't have dog on me right now.
You don't have dog fingers, so it looks like he's put some strawberries on there, folks, in the one section. And
let's balance it reds across from each other in the blues.
There we go.
I might as well just do some raspberries here. Of course, I gotta try one. Dang, not bad, not bad at all. Right. So we did go to Aldi today. I typically think we save about 20-25% over what you get at most grocery stores when you go there. I think at one time it had a reputation for just being the economy place. Now I see all kinds of folks there. It's not just economy folks, and they always have really fresh, good fruits and stuff and vegetables, and like we say, the cheeses and stuff are great. Avocados, yeah. I'm just making sure it's a nice little pile there.
See, he's making it even prettier than what I would have done.
I don't know.
I would have just poured them on the little section and kept moving.
Let's get some blues over here. Of course, I love blueberries. This time of year, this is we're shooting this in October.
This is October. I don't know.
22nd. I think today's 22nd.
Yeah.
So
we've got our Mister. He's already showed you our fall people.
Yeah, Nikki does the decoration. I decorate nothing.
We have a few trick-or-treaters.
I document. I don't decorate. So, I just dropped a blueberry in the floor. I don't think it'll hurt Hendrix if he eats that. That's not against the diet.
So we've got some grapes.
Okay, so yeah, let's do the grapes. Are you gonna put these little tomatoes on there as well?
Maybe, yeah.
All right.
So they include this with this. I guess it's called a Smurley board, but they include the this little tray here and then call it the fruit tray. So you put all your fruit on.
I should get these down here where I can pull those stems off a little better. Maybe I left the stems.
And I guess you don't have to. Folks, you can decorate this however you want to, and it doesn't matter. It's great for Halloween, Thanksgiving parties.
I'll put these stems up in
Christmas parties. So we usually have one out at Thanksgiving.
Don't listen to her, folks. You have to do it exactly like I do it. I'm just kidding. No, go ahead. Of course, listen to me.
But folks,
she just gave me this stink eye. Sorry. Continue on.
It's great to have out when you're trying to get your dinner cooked, and people just want to snack. Maybe while they're watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Parade or something.
Is something else you're going to put some olives in the middle?
Sure.
That's okay.
Put some olives.
Now, it might be good if I had a fork on that, baby. You got one?
Yeah.
Spoon, either one, I guess. So, I love olives.
I keep forgetting. I got to make sure I'm staying on the...
Yeah. So.
Okay, so that's good. So now let's do our cheese. Let's put our cheese up and our crackers.
All right.
And
I'm going to put one or two more. I'm going to eat those in a minute. So
folks, we're going to cut out just for a second, but I'm going to show you again our different cheeses. We've got our salamis and then our jams, and we'll show you the finished product with the crackers and how everything looks. Give me just a second. I am having a hot flash, people. Oh Lord, that's what happens when you turn 48. You get hot flashes. All right, so we only put just a small sampling out of everything because it's just me and Tony here tonight. If it were Thanksgiving or some big celebration, I'd fill this board up. So we have 3 of the cheeses that we showed you, we put out. And this one, they only had two little name thingies out of here that you can name the cheeses. Got our crackers, everything. So really, it's just up to you how you want to place your board. We did add some Aldi, oh heavens, let me find it.
That's really good, sweet mustard. Man,
so this is, you'll find this in the, they have an actual cheese board in cap section at Aldi, but this is called sweet mustard, and you'll find a lot of their it's called specially selected brand. It is really good. So I've got to put a little spoon in that. Let's see if anything else came with this to put in there. Not really.
These are little things you write with.
Yeah, these are little chalks that you get to write on thingies. And you get these little forks. There's 4 of them in here for your guests to use. All right, folks. So this is our version. And you can make yours way fancier than this. We've got fig leaves outside. I've seen people use fig leaves as decoration and lay all their crackers and everything on that. But we only put a small little sampling since it's just me and Tony tonight. Yep. I hope everyone has a happy Halloween, happy Thanksgiving, happy Christmas. And you'll go and think about getting you one of these boards, whether it's this brand or any other brand.
We're not selling them.
I've had this for quite a while actually.
We bought it.
Just haven't used it. So, but yeah, happy Halloween and happy fall.
Did you say you were going to show stuff on the table in there?
This is some other things we bought at Aldi, or that we typically buy at Aldi. I did spread these out. I've just not put it up yet. This, folks, let me tell you, this is my favorite bread. And I love to use it for either a cheese sandwich or on when you're having spaghetti, lasagna, something. Mm-hmm. This is great. You just toast it up. We did buy this today. I've never used ghee, clarified butter, but we're going to try that. But that's at Aldi. I'm going to try this brand, tomato basil sauce. We'll try that out. We got some chicken broth. I love their crackers. I love their cane sugar. I bought this for my students. Yeah. They have Reese's there. I bought this as a gift for some folks who's coming to teach for our students. And I bought some Fun Dip there today. So you put in our Halloween, our candy box for the trick-or-treaters. And Tony buys these all the time.
That's one of my staples anymore, folks. I eat those for snacks all the time. 0 sugar. And I also, along with those cheese things.
Yeah, and there's some more of the cheese wisps.
The chicken breast here is for Hendrix. He's on sort of a chicken diet now. So cool.
So there we go. That's just some more of our brands that we buy. Or brands, actually Aldi brands. It's some of their products that we buy is what I should say. All right, happy fall.